The region studied is studied is far enough from the interest from the entrance that the flow is purely axial. Axial where Vz equals to non-equals to 0, while Vr and Vθ are equals to 0. This condition is for fully developed laminar pipe flow. We neglect gravity and also assume axial symmetry, that is, so neglect gravity and assume axial symmetry. That is for axial symmetry. The equation of continuity in cylindrical fully developed fluid flow is, so let me write the equation of continuity. In cylindrical conduit, reduces to or Vz equals to Vzr only. The flow proceeds straight down the pipe without radial motion. The R momentum equation in cylindrical coordinate simplified to run P on run R, so in R direction. Or P equals to a function of Z. The Z momentum equation in cylindrical quantity reduces to, so for momentum, this is the continuity, and for momentum equation, round Vz plus equals to minus E on dr The convective acceleration term on the left vanishes because of the previously given continuity equation. From continuity equation we have the equals to 0 from continuity. Thus, the momentum equation may be rearranged as follows. So we have only two components in this relation, which are d on dr r dvz on dr equals to minus positive dp on dz equals to constant and smaller than 0. This is exactly the situation that occurs for the flow between flat plates. This is for a cylindrical pipe. Let me write. Again, in the separation constant is negative and pipe flow will look much like the plate flow. Equation of the with integration of the pipe flow we can obtain fully developed pipe flow equation is with integration we can obtain Bz equals to dP on dz R2 on 4 mu plus C1 plus C2, where C1 and C2 are constants. The boundary conditions are no slip at the wall and the final velocity at the center line. Boundary condition. For no slip, Bz equals to 0 equals to plus C1 ln R plus C2 and finite velocity at R equals to 0 we have equals to 0 plus C1 ln 0 plus C2. To avoid a logarithmic singularity, the center line condition requires that C1 equals to 0. So, to avoid singularity, requires that C1 equals to 0, then from no slip C2 equals from no slip condition we can calculate C2 at multiply to R2 on 4 mu. Bz equals to minus dP on dz this is therefore fully developed cylindrical flow, which name it as 100 piezo layer flow. زیاده.